Hey there, Ryan here again. I hope you have all had an amazing summer. One of the things I learned early on as a school administrator is that transparency is imperative. I also think major district decisions should be shared with the community. Now, there are going to be times when there is going to be amazing news and other times when our news is not going to be very fun to hear. As you know, we have no control over the cost of inflation, supply chain issues, and labor shortages. Right now, this is a global issue. So like many of you, I am super excited about the move to the new MHS Baker campus in the fall of 2023. However, in order to make this happen, we had to borrow an additional $10 million in bond funds. The project bids came in double and in some circumstances even triple the amount than originally projected and budgeted. Again, totally out of our control. Now, let me remind you, this comes at no cost to the community taxpayer. With that being said, I wanted to mention two things that are important for you to know. First, there is a transparency bubble on the front of our website that will let you know where all the money for our schools is spent. Second, there are auditors that come in and look over our budget to make sure your tax dollars are in the right place. We can't just do whatever we want when it comes to school spending. A lot of folks question this, but it's just not the case. So in the fall of 2023, our high school Cardinals will be moving into a state-of-the-art building with new technology, security and communication systems, a digitally enhanced camera system, an updated and renovated cafeteria, and repaved sidewalks and parking lots. You can count on advanced placement and career and technical education classes that are sure to get our students future ready for jobs. This new move has many positive ripple effects. As you know, the current Strong Middle School will move to the MHS High School building on Prospect Street. Those students will have way more space, updates, and upgrades of a new weight room, access to the auditorium, the turf field, and updated engineering classrooms. Allendale will remain in its current building, but Rogers Elementary will move to the Strong Middle School building, allowing for the growth of our K to first grade students. This means more classes to teach small group instruction, as well as the inclusion of 6 new preschool rooms. Getting our 4-year-olds into school, that extra year makes an incredible difference in the rest of their lives. So yes, we have some roadblocks, but our plan has not changed. I know this is not amazing news, but like I have asked before, I need you to trust that we are doing our absolute best with this project. We knew this news would be very concerning to all of you because MelNAP matters to all of us.